Hello, buddy. I'm really sorry, buddy. How you doing? You all right? What's your name, my friend?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Yeah. It's very bright, your torch on me.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay, it's alright, we're recording you as well, so it's all fine. It's all good.
Yeah, please, can you leave now, please?
Sir, did you hear that?
Can you leave now?
What did you say?
Did you hear what your ex-partner said?
She's not my ex-partner.
Okay, well, sorry,
She's not my partner, she's my wife.
Okay. But you've still been instructed to leave, haven't you? And this is indeed her property, as far as I'm understanding.
I'm a named occupant.
No, you are not.
Yes, I am.
Because we had the issue last time, and the police came and they took you out from here. They asked you to leave last time.
When was that?
That should be around here. Is it 2003?
Oh, I'm sorry, that was
Yeah, they asked you to leave, and they are the one that request me, to go and remove your name, and they asked you to leave.
My name is on the tenancy.
No, it's
Could
not.
you bring the tenancy,
have a
please?
copy of that?
No,
Exactly.
send it to me on my email.
Yeah, bring it on the email.
What was your name, sir? Sorry.
My name is Edward.
Edward, nice to meet you, sir.
I don't know about that. You come into my home to get rid of me, and you said it's nice to meet me.
Yeah.
I don't know about that. I don't think it's nice to meet you.
Being polite, though, isn't it?
Well, there is no polite in breaking the home. There is no politeness in breaking a home, officer.
Breaking a home.
Yeah, coming into my home to get rid of me from my house, and you say that is you being polite. There is nothing polite about that.
Okay.
Absolutely. I wouldn't come into your home,
we'll agree to disagree,
try to get you out of your home, and I say I'm being polite to you.
Yeah, okay.
I'd rather say you're doing your job as a British police officer.
We'll go with that. That's sweet. I'm all right.
Okay.
Sorry, I just...
No, it's fine.
It's fine.
No
rush. So, what was your name, madam?
Yeah, Halade.
Okay. I'll take this off so I can do it. Sir, I appreciate you probably can't see much with that light on, but would you be able to see this with me? So this is a copy of your tenancy from L&Q.
Yeah, what year was that, sir?
Sorry?
What year?
This is dated 24th of the 8th, 2018, from the tenancy start date of the 8th of the 7th, 2013, and it says tenancy end date not applicable. Hence, it's a rolling contract.
Yeah,
your name, sir, is not on here. Name of the tenant, that's this lady here. Your name is not listed.
What year was that issue?
Like I just said, sir. 24th of the 8th, 2018. Okay. You won't be able to see it, I suspect, but yeah. So your name is not on the tenancy agreement, sir. That does in fact mean that you don't have the right to be here if this lady doesn't want you to be here. So respectfully, she's asked you to leave. Yeah.
Okay.
Please, can you leave?
Okay.
She has the same power as us in this instance, but we're here just to prevent a breach of the peace. If you refuse to leave, a breach of the peace is likely to occur. We really don't want to do anything like that, so we respectfully ask you to leave.
Okay. Now,
thank you.
I'm happy that we've cleared that grey area.
Indeed.
Now, Lewisham Council has said to me, by virtue of being legally married, and the marriage is still binding, she cannot request me to leave.
Okay.
So have you got that in a bit on? Have you got that as a document?
I don't have it, but I could check.
How are you going to check? Because this is also an L&Q property. It's not Lewisham Council.
Yes, but they said to me, because I called them and I went there, and they said to me...
It's really blinding my eyes.
Yeah, would you mind just angling it down slightly, sir?
Oh, sorry.
Blinding us.
Yeah, sorry. I said, let me put it down somewhere.
Yeah, sweet.
Worst case scenario, I'll call Lucian Council again, and you can have a chat with them.
No,
we don't need to do that.
So,
because they said to me,
it's falling into the realms of a civil matter, sir.
Yeah, it is a civil matter. It is a civil matter.
Yeah.
And exactly what they said, that the police has no involvement in it.
Okay, respectfully,
Yeah.
that's what the council told you. I
Yeah.
understand that, but from what we've got, this lady who is the owner, is the tenant, the only registered tenant of this property,
Yeah.
does not want you, who is not registered on this property,
Yeah.
in this place. Yeah.
And they said
She's
by
asked you
that.
to leave. At the moment, it looks like you're refusing to take action on that. If you disagree with that, and you're saying the council told you this advice, which you have not provided in writing, that's
No,
a
you
civil
are an
matter,
officer
sir.
of the law.
I am, sir. So
Okay,
now I'm
so you know the law.
respectfully asking you to leave.
Excuse me. Let me.
Sir, you're going to leave.
Let me make my point. Let me
made
make
your
my
point,
point.
sir. You have to leave.
No, I'm saying to you, I've not made my point. I'm saying to you, Lewisham Council has said to me when I went to them that my wife has evicted me. They said, you've called her your wife, which means, and they asked me, do you have a marriage certificate? I say, yes. Is the marriage certificate legal tender? No. Is the marriage certificate legally issued in Britain? I say, yes. They said to me, well, as long as the marriage is not annulled.
You don't need to shout, I'm just here. It's all right.
They said to me, as long as the marriage is not annulled, you have the legal right to be in the same house with her, and there is no violence involved. You have the same right that she has. You've got children together.
Yeah.
You have the same right to be in the house as she has.
Okay.
So if you tell me that that is not valid, if you tell me that that is a lie, that they have lied to me, I have a caseworker, okay, with Lewisham Council for the homeless. I would take that to her, and what she has requested me to get from you lot, if you turn up, is a reference for this.
Like a CAD number,
we can give you that.
An eviction notice issued by you that you remove me.
We don't issue eviction notices.
So you will give me a reference.
We'll give you a reference, yeah, of course.
Okay.
But you need to leave.
I will leave.
Amazing.
I will leave. Yeah, I'm happy that you've said that to me.
That's fine.
At least that validates.
I just need to grab your details as well before you go.
That validates everything that has occurred.
Yeah.
That validates everything that has occurred here today.
So you get a CAD number, that's not a problem at all. If
Okay.
you just grab your clothes and some shoes. Do you want me to...
Huh? Oh, yeah, you got it. I'll make sure it will. Yeah, sweet.
We'll just be here.
Will you just...
I'll get her details.
And, yeah, thank you. I'll give you that reference number, shall I, sir?
Thank you.
Yeah. I'll start that once that's done, yeah? Control 43. Can I get the CAD number for our current sign, please, Bartram Road?
Is it 5 o'clock now?
5-2.
The Bartram Road is 5237 number.
Thank you. Is your reference number?
Yes, available.
So that's the reference. Oh, I know. Of course. That's the reference number of what you've asked for. Okay.
Okay, lovely.
Do you need to get changed? I can give you a bit of privacy if you need.
Yeah, sure. It's a CAD S237.
No. So that's a 5. That's not full handwriting. 5.
Okay, 2, 3,
3,
7
7
/7
today's
May.
date. Yeah.
Thank you.
I'll give you a bit of privacy to get changed, my friend. All right.
All right then. I'm just gonna find some email that I could show
Would you
you.
mind showing me outdoors, sir? Yeah,
Okay.
Just get your stuff and we'll make all.
All right. Excuse me.
Go on.
Excuse me. Sure you appreciate the fact that I can't grab all of my stuff in one go.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna, because I'm going to work tonight.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna take a few stuff. So how do we progress from there?
So the best thing that we can do with that is obviously it's not a massive amount of my business how you're going to do that, but what we can do is we can facilitate it at a later date. If so required, police can re-attend on an appointment to make sure there's not any further breaches of the peace, so you can collect whatever stuff you need to. And I'm sure you're the other half of this argument